Hey, hi everyone, this is Mukesh once again from learn-automation.com. So in the last lecture, we have downloaded and installed the Postman in our local system. In case I installed in Windows. So once you open this Postman, you will get this welcome window, or I will say launchpad. I will quickly walk you through what exactly this will like, how this navigation will help, different kind of navigations they have, and from where you have to start. So first of all, guys, if you're completely new, they will also give you a couple of tutorials which you can directly start and you can complete this part. Okay, and anyways, don't worry about this part because I will be showing you all these things one by one through real-time examples. This is again some quick guide if you want to directly start creating requests, collection, environment, APIs, everything you will get directly from this launchpad. And if you don't want to access from launchpad, you can directly continue from here. Okay, but this is just a quick navigations they have given. So you can also see we can go with the documentation, you can create mock servers, mock APIs, and finally you can also create monitors. Again, we will be having dedicated videos for each and everything, so don't worry. For the time being, just see what kind of UI they have, what kind of navigations they have provided, so that it will be very easy for us once we start working on it. And in case if you want to customize the dark mode, you can go with the dark mode. I personally prefer the light mode, okay, or the white mode, but if in case if you like the dark mode, it's up to you. Enable launchpad. If you don't want this launchpad each and every time, you can disable this. By default it is enabled. Second, you can see you can join a team workspace. Right now there's no team workspace we have created. So right now it's blank, it says no workspace to join. Once we move forward, we'll create a team and we'll see a couple of members, how we can join a team and how we can collaborate. Now this is very interesting, guys. You can see if you want some templates and some public APIs which you want to use for your testing purposes, they have given a lot of APIs. And the one which is happening or which is trending right now is COVID-19 APIs. So if you click on this COVID-19 APIs, you'll get two APIs which will give you general data or global statistics which you can hit and you will get the data. Apart from that, you can also get the statistics based on the countries and the different parameters which you can pass. Okay, so these are a couple of APIs which they have provided in case if you want, and you can also see these APIs, and you can also click on browse more and you will get different categories of APIs which you can use. So it's up to you. In case if you want to explore this part, it's up to you and completely optional. For this complete tutorials, I will be taking a couple of APIs which will help you to cover most of the things from the Postman side. So this is all about the launchpad. I am going to close this launchpad as of now, and you can see now we have the two this is called the builder section, guys. Okay, and you can see here I have one personal, which is nothing but the workspace, and another option is team. So we'll talk about this builder part and this collaboration with the teams. You can also invite the team members for the collaboration. Now on the left hand side, you can see the history. Right now we have not made any API calls, it's blank. The moment you start making some APIs call, you will see the history here. Collections is nothing but you will be creating a small group of the similar or the I will say they will share the common nature. Okay, so you will group them into a collection. That collection will be easy to access and we can run everything as a part of collection. We have a dedicated lecture on collection as well, so we'll talk about this in detail. So collection is kind of a folder in simple words, okay, but it allows more features, like you can share the collection, you can pass the variables, you can share the collection, execute them, so many things we'll see one by one. And right now there's no APIs. Since we have not created any APIs, it's totally blank, but you can click on create an API and you can continue. Okay, so this was about the left hand side. Again, this basic filters part. Okay, so depends on your keyword, it will do the filtration. Now in case if you have any existing collection, okay, let's say somebody has created that collection you want to import, you can import the collection. You can also import the open API files and other things. This is the runner part. When you have a set of collections and you want to run the collections, you can use the Postman Runner to run the collections. And these are just some quick navigations if you want to open a new tab, new runner window or postman window. And if you click on this new part, this is what we have seen in the launchpad. Do you want to create a new request, new collection, new environment, documentation, mock server, monitor and APIs? So instead of going through launchpad, if you directly want to start this from a new button, these are the options available. Very important, environment. Okay, so right now there's no environment has set. So what is environment, how to set the environments, we will discuss one by one. For the time being, let's focus on the navigation. This is the quick look of the environment, and this is your settings part where you can manage the different environment and the variables. Okay, so that's all about the quick look and feel and quick navigation about the Postman. Now in the next videos we'll see one by one how to work with individual requests, collection, APIs, mock servers, documentation. And before we end the session, I just want to show you this find section. Okay, so in case if you want to find anything related to the response and request, collections, environment, you can find directly from here. And you can also see a small Postman console where you will see all the logs. Right now everything is blank because we have not started anything, and these are a couple of other settings. So if you see this part, this is single pan, two pan, and these are just a keyboard shortcuts. We will be using them whenever it's required. I hope you are familiar now. In case if you have any question related to this UI, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the like button, share with his friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.